Hello, I'm Mayor Philgood with your weekly update. As required by law, Council held its annual open meeting law workshop last Thursday. This discussion and training was presented by the city attorneys and the city clerk's offices. The Human Resources Department also contributed and went over best practices for encouraging a respectful workplace at City Hall. The information was presented to Council and all members of city boards, commissions, and committees. The workshop included topics such as open meeting law, conflict of interest, council rules of procedure, boards, commissions, and committees code of conduct, harassment, and public records request law. If you are unable to attend and miss this workshop, you can view it at the link below. Last week we had a presentation and discussion regarding council priorities in the use of the opioid lawsuit settlement disbursements. Council considered a disbursement request from the Partners Against Narcotics Trafficking Task Force, also known as PANT. When the discussion concluded, the council members chose to retain discretion on how Prescott's share would be allocated. Council did discuss the option of supporting PANT as an individual entity. This was a presentation only, and there will be a vote at a later meeting. A presentation regarding ongoing transportation projects by the Central Yavapai Metropolitan Planning Organization, also known as SIMPO, generated a great deal of comment from the members of the public in attendance at the meeting. The General Plan Committee meeting also heard from SIMPO. Members of the council appreciate your input, and we do listen carefully to you. We also value our partnerships in the larger community, which frequently allows us to use tax dollars more efficiently. The City of Prescott Regional Airport was recognized by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, ADEQ, and received a Voluntary Environmental Stewardship Program Certificate of Recognition. This was given in regards to the airport's strong environmental compliance and striving to go beyond what is simply legally required to protect public health and the environment for the past 3 years. The Prescott Regional Airport was accepted into the bronze level of environmental stewardship in August of 2022. The bronze level is a 3-year recognition available to regulated facilities that don't have any violations on record with any environmental regulatory agency within the past 3 years. The Prescott Fire Department is hosting a free home ignition zone course on Wednesday, February 15th, 2023. This will last from 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and will take place at the Prescott Police Department on Marina Street. This one-day course is designed for community members and fire professionals interested in wildfire risk reduction actions that can be implemented by property owners and improve the chances of home survivability due to a woodland fire threat. Certificates of course completion will be given to those that attend the full course. Only 20 seats are available, so sign up soon if you're interested. The search is underway for a new city manager. After 6 years, Michael Lamar announced his resignation as of February 14th. Deputy City Manager Tyler Goodman was named interim city manager while the city conducts a national search for Mr. Lamar's replacement. We wish Mr. Lamar well and look forward to working with Tyler as we search for a permanent replacement. The city selected Columbia Ltd. As the search agency. The city manager position and candidate profile can be seen on the Columbia website. For candidates to be considered for this professional opportunity, they need to email a cover letter and a resume. For questions regarding the recruitment process or the opportunity, please visit the Columbia Ltd. website. Links to their website are below. Did you know that as of February 1st, the Arizona's Pioneers Home will have been open for 112 years? Concerned about elderly pioneer miners who had no family and no place to go, Arizona built the first ever government-instituted retirement home for these men, even before being granted statehood. When the Arizona Pioneers Home opened on February 1st, 1911, they had capacity for 40 men. On April 8, 1916, the Arizona Pioneers Home opened a new addition and provided capacity for 20 women. They can now care for about 125 men and women in total. To this day, Arizona Pioneers Home is considered one of a kind in the nation. Finally, I want to take a moment to recognize Prescott Police Chief Amy Bonney, who was selected as one of only 5 chiefs in the state of Arizona to receive the inaugural award of the ALEAP, Arizona Law Enforcement Accreditation Program, ACE certification. This program directly encourages Arizona's law enforcement executives to attain sanctioned benchmarks in pursuit of recommended standards for police leadership that are measurable and attainable. By offering proof of these standards to the ALEAP Commission, individual police executives can attain ALEAP accredited Chief Executive Advanced Certification status. Congratulations to Chief Bonney on this outstanding achievement. I'm Mayor Philgood. This has been your weekly update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.